All right, voltage regulator video. Figured I would do one. I know there's lots of videos out there because I've already looked. I just thought I would show an actual diagram from Chevy. So that's what the unit looks like inside your door. Actually, it's more like that. And I'll kind of go through. There's the part number, but unfortunately that's the part number for the whole assembly. Now through Chevy, up here they want $260 for this whole complete piece, but meanwhile the only piece that broke is this plastic piece. So yeah, that's the only piece that really broke. So here's another diagram of it. This would be this way. Yeah. I'm not gonna do a video of taking it out because it's pretty straightforward. It's like pop the side panel off, 5 bolts and it's off. And then you wiggle it out. There's the price. There's the price. $264 plus the ugly tax. So basically $300. But what I'm doing is something different because this is a Volt. The dealership tried to tell me it's only, that piece is only available special to the Volt. But then when I did some research, I found on Amazon, you can buy the whole unit, like this whole piece here, for about $90 on Amazon. Then I started searching a little bit more because I just need that plastic clip. I found the actual clips, so I'm gonna order them. They're $13. They're for a Chevy Cruze 2010 to 2016. They look identical, so I don't see why that wouldn't work. So for $13, I'm gonna take the chance, spend the money, and kind of go from, it was originally going to be $300 plus tax to $90 to, that's the only piece I need is that darn clip. So it's kind of nice I found one for 13 bucks. So will it work? I'll let you know in the comments if anybody's asking. Once again, that's the diagram, that's how it looks. And I'll actually show you the piece because I got it out here. So here's the actual unit. Okay, and there should be a plastic clip on this side going up and down for the window. The metal piece is still attached to the glass, so there's the one broken piece, so that's technically supposed to be like, over here. Yeah, this should be flipped. Like this. Okay, that looks better. I have to reverse engineer all this stuff to try to figure it out, but that clip's broken. That's the piece I found on Amazon for 13 bucks. You can see another piece. This is the other side. It's busted too. And actually found this, so that's what it's supposed to look like. I'm not gonna glue that together. Might as well spend the big money and get the two pieces. So I'll leave a link in the description from Amazon if anybody's interested in just buying these clips. And yeah, that's basically what it comes down to. So hope that saves some money for somebody out there. And rather than spending 300 bucks for the whole kit and caboodle like that piece, I'm gonna try $13, see how far it goes. I'll leave comments if people are asking, like, did this actually work, or how long did it last, or whatever. We'll see. So stay tuned, and yeah, thanks for watching.